Good afternoon, Cougars and parents, and welcome to week 12 of the Cougar Connection. This week, we want to take a moment and just spotlight our 7th and 8th grade Cougar football team and their coaches. Both the 7th and 8th grade teams are going to be playing in the EKC Conference Championship game on Tuesday at Round County High School. Those games start at 6, and hopefully in our next Cougar Connection, we will have an update, and both our 7th and 8th grade teams are going to be conference champions. So nevertheless, guys, congratulations for your accomplishments this season, and good luck in your championship games. Also this week we want to spotlight Miss Chelsea Bowl. Miss Bowl is an ELA teacher on the Green Monkey team, and she actually started last minute this year. She was our special ed teacher for 7th grade last year at Simons Middle School, and when the need arose, she actually stepped up to the challenge and decided that she would fill in as an ELA teacher this year. And she's doing an amazing job. So we just want to shout out to Chelsea and thank her for all of her hard work and her dedication. Thanks for all you do, Chelsea, for the students here at Simons Middle School. This week, a few upcoming events. We do have an admin team meeting at 9 on Monday. Also, we have a site-based council meeting on Monday at 3:45, and content PLCs will be from 3 to 3:45 for ELA. Also, SPED teachers, I will be meeting with you in the conference room at 1 o'clock. And those of you teachers who are members of the district instructional leadership team, you will have a meeting on Monday at central office from 4 to 6. So don't forget Tuesdays, the 7th and 8th grade football conference championship. That's at Round County High School. Those start at 6. And also, we will be having a leadership team meeting right after school at 3:15. And students, don't forget that on Tuesday, that is going to be the day that we attend the Red Ribbon Week speaker at Fleming County High School. Wednesday, Simons Middle School and myself will be hosting Google Level 1 certification training at 4 o'clock in the SMS library. And teachers, on Wednesday, we will be having our PLC day. Please make sure that you bring with you to PLC a Chromebook. Thursday is going to be Thankful Thursday, and also our Benchmark 1 reward. So we're all going to play hide and seek. Those of you who were able to participate in that reward for your achievement and your growth. And on Friday, just like every Friday, it is going to be Can Wellness T-shirt day, and we're also going to have Kona Ice visit us on Friday for break. A few upcoming events that some of you are probably hearing a little bit about from your students or have read about them on Facebook. We are going to have the Cougars of Distinction ceremony on November the 4th. That's going to begin at about 8:15 in the morning. And then on that evening, we're going to have an exhibition and a data night. This will be individual students sharing their data, as well as some students who are prepared and ready to go sharing their passion projects. Also, we're going to be having a student and staff dodgeball tournament. That is going to be the day before Thanksgiving break in the afternoon. So students, don't forget to sign up if you want to play dodgeball. And also right now, Simons Middle School is in search of some graphing calculators. I know there's a lot of you who have graphing calculators laying around your house. I know I am one of them. I have one in a drawer here that no one has used in years. So if you would like to put those to good use, please donate those to Simons Middle School, and we will give you a tax write-off form for your donation. That is all that we have this week for the Cougar Connection. Let's have another great week.